Hello Surf5 users. This video is a guide for those new to Surf5 on how to build Surf5 projects in VS Code. If you are having difficulties building projects in VS Code, please follow along with this video. First, go to the WIZnet documentation site, and then navigate to the section titled How to Make Surf5 Projects as shown in the video. Next, go to the Surf5 GitHub link and download the project. Once the download is complete, search for Developer Command Prompt for VS 2022 in the search bar below and run it. Call the code command to run VS Code. Click Open Folder in the New tab to load the Surf5 project downloaded from GitHub. Next, go to the Extensions tab on the left and download a total of 3 extensions as shown in the video. If everything has been downloaded, click the gear button of CMake Tools and then click Extension Settings. And then scroll down to find the CMake generator. In this section, enter and make files. Be sure to maintain the case sensitivity as shown on the screen. Enter the tools directory of the project and click on the arm_none ebgcc.cmake file. Uncomment the code that was commented out and then modify it to the path of the bin directory where your GNU ARM embedded toolchain is installed. Change the path value with backslashes to forward slashes. Save the changes, click the search prompt at the top and enter CMake configure. And click on the arm_none EB compiler. Once the build is ready, click the build button below or press F7 to start the build. Once the build is complete, you can check the output similar to the video in the output section. Also, by entering the build directory, you can obtain binary files that you can use. Thank you for following the guide for building Surf5 in VS Code.